Hey everyone, been wanting to do a drop test comparison on an epoxy cup versus a diamond finish clear cup, and I have two cups here today. I'm going to be dropping from this little yellow ball here. This is the first one. This is my epoxy cup I made a long time ago when I was still using epoxy. As you can see, it's, just there's no glitter on here. It's just a mica powder. And you can see how thick it is. It's just a very heavy cup for being only a 20 ounce. So this is just a regular, I think this is a 20 ounce Ozark. And then I have this 20 ounce skinny. This is a diamond finish clear cup. You can see it's much thinner coating. This is a 20 ounce skinny, I think, built cup. But I never finished this one. But it still has 3 or 4 layers on it. Actually, maybe a few more than that. Because this was a glitter cup over some alcohol inks that I wasn't fond of. So I'm gonna drop both of these and we'll see what happens. All right, so first we're gonna drop the epoxy cup. So I'm gonna drop both of them from the same height, this ball here, and we'll see what happens. All right, so that one's down. And we'll take a look here and see if it cracked. And it did crack. It cracked right here on the bottom where it landed. I don't know if you can see that. I can even feel it. See if I can get my camera to focus. Yeah, you can see that crack right there. Yep, there it is. It cracked. Okay, so that's what happens when you drop an epoxy cup. And now we'll do my diamond finish clear cup. And we'll drop it from the same height and in the same fashion. All right, let's see what happened to this one. Okay, so as you can see, sorry, I'm getting camera here. There's no crack, but the cup itself is dented. So the finish is still good. It's a little rough. Okay, wait, there's a little bitty hairline crack there, but there's no huge chunk falling off of this. And the cup itself is dented before anything chunked off of this. So this could probably be sanded down. And I might even try doing that, sanding this down and applying the diamond finish clear back over it to see if I can repair it. Because I know that's something you usually can't do with epoxy. You normally have to strip the whole cup and start over once you break that seal. So I'm gonna do a little experiment on this one. I don't know if you can see that there. Oh, the actual cup got dented. There's just this tiny little hairline fracture in the coating. Let's see. So that compared to epoxy cup, see if I can find it again here, which there's this big chunk here that you can see where it cracked from over here all the way around to over here. Sorry about my nails, I haven't had them done in a while. But yeah, so this whole thing, once this gets water under it, the whole thing is just gonna pop off. So yeah, I would definitely say that, you can see, look at that. That's what happens with diamond finish. I mean, this is what happens with epoxy. And you can see how thick that epoxy is too. So I definitely say that diamond finish clear is, and this cup was prepped, it was sanded and base coated, but the epoxy still, it can't stand up to drops like the diamond finish clear can. So yeah, so that was that one, and then again here is the diamond finish clear coat. Got this, trying to get my camera to focus so you can see. This tiny hairline crack right there. So yeah, I would definitely say diamond finish clear is a much more durable when it comes to being dropped or heat or even washing these. I don't think you really have to worry about soaking a cup when it's finished with diamond finish clear like you do with epoxy. So yep, I think that's gonna definitely make our winner diamond finish clear when it comes to durability. And like I said, I'm gonna actually go and try and sand this down and put some diamond finish clear over it and see what happens, because I'm pretty sure I can just repair this. I'll sand it and buff it down. It might mess up the glitter a little bit because there wasn't a whole lot of coverage to begin with. But yep, let me know if y'all have any questions.